To inspect the wheels and brake system and perform a tire rotation on your RZR RS1, follow these steps. Take a close look at each tire. Verify there is sufficient tread depth. Tires should be replaced once they reach 1/8 inch or 3 mm of tread depth. Inspect for damage that may compromise the integrity of the tire. Next, inspect the tire pressure and verify it is set to specification. Reference the owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specification. Lastly, take a close look at how the tires are wearing. If there is irregular wear, it may be time for a rotation. Next, begin removing the tires by loosening the lug nuts before the vehicle is off the ground, but do not remove. Then, safely elevate the vehicle. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Remove the lug nuts and set aside. Then, remove the wheels and set aside. Next, inspect the fluid level and condition in the master cylinder in the driver's front wheel well. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. Add fluid as needed from underneath the front storage compartment. Always use new brake fluid and do not allow fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Look at the banjo bolts on the inside of the master cylinder for leaks. Follow the lines all the way to both front calipers, looking for any leaks, kinks, or damage. Also ensure the brake line retainers are properly secured. Inspect the connections at the front brake calipers for leaks. Next, inspect the connections at the junction block in the driver's rear wheel well. Follow the brake line to the rear brake calipers, looking for any leaks, kinks, or damage. Also ensure the brake line retainers are properly secured. Inspect the rear calipers and connections for leaks. If inspection reveals any concerns, do not attempt to drive the vehicle. See your authorized Polaris service center. Next, take a look at the brake pads and rotors. Always allow the brakes to cool completely before performing any inspection to prevent the risk of burns. Measure the brake pad thickness using a suitable tool. Check the thickness on the inside pads as well and replace any brake pads that are worn beyond their minimum thickness. Next, use a brake rotor measuring tool to measure the thickness of the brake rotors and replace any rotors if they are worn below their minimum thickness. Next, the tires can be rotated if applicable and reinstalled. Due to different configurations, some wheels may not be able to be rotated. Always pay attention to all markings and directional indicators on the tires. Install the wheels on the vehicle and hand tighten the lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle until the tires begin to touch the ground. This will help keep the wheels in place when torquing. Torque the lug nuts to specification in a crisscross pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.